Hello, I'm here at Purley Railway Station, and today we're going to be riding, what is it called, because I can't say it?
LF52 ZRX, which is the Gemini 1.
It's a Volvo B70L Rice Clips Gemini 1.
And we're going to be riding it, and
all the way to East Grinstead.
Yes, so there isn't any trains running between East Grinstead and Purley, or East
due to planned engineering works.
Due to engineering works.
So yeah, we're going to be riding a rail replacement from Purley to East.
Time for some kick down and some thrash.
Yes, so we're going to be riding the rail replacement.
Salt alarms.
Hopefully. And we're going to be riding it as the others have said. We're going to be riding it from Purley to East Grinstead.
Yeah.
Let's get into the video. UKTransit style. Go and subscribe to these two. They're really nice. That is very cool.
You don't need a RICE card or anything, just hop on board. Yeah, there's no air conditioning because it's from 2002. Might as well go upstairs, yeah.
Well,
yeah.
Hi.
Oh, this bus is so sick, guys.
I told you, the Gemini, the Gemini is actually a brilliant bus.
It is.
Yeah.
No air conditioning, but it's a good flipping bus.
It is.
Woo! It's brilliant. It's lovely, this is.
And double-decker Antoine drove one of these. Oh yeah.
Right, we're going to go and see Sam.
You know that bus is not leaving until that midnight.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. You going to come upstairs?
Later, because I want to film the bus with this engine to get lots of views.
Of course.
Because
of course.
sitting upstairs, it gets really quiet and we were talking and then it's can be distracting.
I'll come back down later and see how you're getting on.
Thank you.
That's all right. This is a beautiful bus though, guys. Something about the something about the stairs feels a bit different. Don't know what it is, but it feels good. I feel like there's more room on the stairs or something. I don't know. But it's a really cool bus and I really like it.
Doesn't it sound great?
It does.
Nostalgia for everyone. Don't be sweating buckets. So who's going to the Lowish Floor Festival this year? Lowish. Which bus? 400? Yeah. Times up pretty well. Yeah.
So I think it gets to Wilson like 2:30.
Yeah, that's it.
And there's one back at like 5.
Oh, there's a broken down bus. Is it DW?
No, so.
Oh no, it's a Gemini. Oh, WBA. That's a shame. Is it MMCs they're meant to be getting on? Right, lost that one. BL61 ADV. That's a shame.
What do you think about the bus?
Brilliant buses. I grew up with these because I was born in 1997, so I grew up with the Platinum Presidents, Vikings, Scania Omnideckers, Scania Omni-Cities, ALX 400s, Cadets. Brilliant buses. Brilliant.
Thank you very much. is one of the hottest days of the year, and we were sweating buckets before we left when we were just on the stand.
But now it's fine.
Yeah, now it's fine.
It's nice.
It's got really big windows, so it's all good.
Life on the buses is amazing.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's a great life on the buses. There's nothing like it, you agree. That's a 407, which used to have 56 plate Tridents back in the day before COVID took over. That's it. Yeah. I remember the E200. Oh, no, I'm not interested. That's overrated, that bus. K23 Tuck. Huh? I know.
Yeah, that's the
XSL5, isn't it?
There's a chase bus. There's a what? There's a chase side bus with its hazard lights on.
That's not what I'm driver.
There's a guy. That is a chase side Enviro 200.
XSL5.
Yes.
And a Super Loop.
Sam has decided to join us up here.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Enjoying this nostalgic Go Ahead London's Putney Garage.
Yeah.
This was on routes 40, 74 and 430, which used to be seen around in certain areas of central London like Kensington, Hyde Park Corner,
Yeah.
Putney as well.
Yeah, Putney.
Putney. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Brings me back memories to the old good days of 2010s. That year was
2008.
2008.
Yeah.
The 2010s, it's got to be the best years than 2020s, which is
Definitely.
nowadays, because they had good buses back then.
We don't now. Not really.
No,
Now
not
it's
now. It's
electric.
just lame electrics as well. Like it's good for people to enjoy this, but for enthusiasts, if they like to film buses and stuff, it's not really that interested to film electrics all the time because it gets boring.
Yeah.
It's saying that's why if you still want to catch these nostalgic buses, you can, but just go outside of London, or even catch it on well placement like we are now.
Yeah.
But it's really hard to catch it nowadays.
It's very hard.
Very
It's like
hard.
Just.
Yeah. I hate ISA,
Yeah, this one doesn't go ISA.
which is good because I hate it.
We are going on summer holiday.
Always take a good ride on the buses.
It's such a good day for the buses. There is no better place to be. So why not take the ding dong and away we go. Reference to Denzel's World.
This bus is really bumpy and I really love it.
Take it away, Ernie. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. This bus is approaching Godstown. Or Nottsville. Go on, son. Pedal to the metal.
So some Go Ahead London's Geminis, some are ZF and some are VoIP.
Yeah. Is this one quick?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, quick.
You can tell by the engine.
Oh, yeah.
This bus is so incredibly bumpy. We keep going up, down, up, down, up, down, and just like, it's just so cool. It's lovely. It's like really cool. It's a really good bus. I really like it.
Yeah, the padding on the seats, it's nice, you know, it's good. It's a bit dusty, so I won't be doing that, you know. This is it's questionable, because if you if you put your head on that and then the bus just suddenly jolts backwards or something, then you'll get a headache. But you know, it's good for its age. This is from 2002, believe it or not. So this is 24 years old, maybe.
Yeah.
So that is old for a bus. So hats off to South East Bus Hire for preserving this bus. This is where the quarter turn goes. Quarter turn goes here. So we must be near Oxted now.
Yeah.
Yeah, not Oxted. Which I've been to a lot of times.
You can tell by the bus stops.
There's more Chase-side buses there.
This
The Exabelio.
There is some more buses. You got a Chase side and Varo 200.
one, I think.
I love the
that's
speakers on that bus.
What's that one?
X-ray for
Exabelio.
London.
You got another
Yeah, it is.
Chase side and Varo 200.
Oh, that's Samuel.
Oh,
I-
that's an Exabello.
What, that
I
one?
love the
Yeah,
speakers on the top of that.
Yeah, I've been on that.
I haven't been on that yet.
Well, I have. When it was on loan to Metrobus.
Oxted Station.
Is X-ray for London.
We are now fast to East Winstead, I believe.
Yep, fast to East Grinstead now. Oh no, we have to stop at Upper Warningham.
We've already done that, didn't we? Yeah, Upper Warningham.
Upper Wallingham,
East
Oxted,
Winstead.
East Winstead. Next stop is East Winstead.
Oh, he.
Yeah, fast.
You have to like change at certain stations.
How about Uckfield? They have a replacement bus.
Don't think that.
Yeah, Uckfield.
Oh, yeah.
One at Hever, Cowden, Ashurst, Erridge, Crowborough, Buxted, and Uckfield. I love the houses here though. I'd love to live here. But
What about Eastbourne?
Eastbourne, busy. Very busy.
Well, in the countryside. Sorry.
You don't need to press the thing gong. The bus terminates there, mate.
Yeah, but still. I just want to see what the boundaries like as a go ahead London days.
Yeah.
But I did press it once though. That's the main thing.
Yeah. So that ding 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 ding, please not pay in a mail.
I want you guys to tell us in the comments who says it correctly.
Yeah.
Say the bus name.
B7CL. No, not B9CL. What am I talking about? This is a Volvo B70L White Eclipse Gemini 1.
So I say it's a Gemini 1.
No, Gemini.
It's Gemini.
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 Yeah.
Did I actually say it right that
Yeah,
time?
Gemini.
You've been laughing at me all day because I couldn't say it right. So it's a Gemini.
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 What?
Oh.
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 Oh. Oh.
Is that what I think it is?
Yeah.
Yes! Sorry, yes!
Southeast Omnibus.
Yes! Yes!
12 ABF.
Woohoo! That's so cool! I'm so happy right now, guys. Oh, well, I was trying to get a shot, but the trees are ruining it. This was absolutely amazing. I absolutely love this bus. This is an amazing bus. We're now at East Grinstead Station, where this bus terminates. What an amazing bus. Guys, it's got the rolly blinds. That's how old it is. You have to roll it. Like
Hello, you drive me up.
like a Route Master.
So old Casablanca advertising.
Right. Let us know in the comments what is the actual word. I say it's a right Gemini. What do you say?
It's a Volvo B70L White Eclipse Gemini 2. No, White Eclipse Gemini 1.
Okay, so how am I saying it?
Gemini. Gemini.
So am I saying it right or wrong?
Yeah, you said it right.
Right. I say it's a Gemini bus.
No, it's not a Gemini.
Is it a Gemini bus?
No, it's a Gemini.
A Gemini.
Gemini.
A Gemini.
No, it's a B70L White Eclipse Gemini.
Gemini. Hello guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is UKTransit signing off from
Sam, Bus and Train Boy 5677.
And Matthew's Buses and Trains 997.
and we're signing off from East Grinstead. Goodbye.
Peace.
Bye.